Good morning, children. Today we will do a very interesting topic, that is multiplication. Multiplication is very useful in our daily life. For example, if one notebook is of 5 rupees and you want to buy 3 notebooks. One notebook is of 5 rupees and you want to buy 3 notebooks, and your mama will give money, and how you will know that how much money do you require? It means that if one notebook is of cost 5 rupees, then what is the cost of 3 notebooks? That multiplication will help you to find out what is the cost of 3 notebooks. Is it clear? So I'll make you understand the multiplication concepts very clearly. What is multiplication? Like I have made this picture like this. There are 4 bowls are there. How many bowls are there? There are 4 bowls are there, right? Now in one bowl, how many balls are there? In one bowl there is 2 balls are there. Then second bowl there are 2 balls again. In third bowl again there are 2 balls, and in fourth bowl we have 2 balls. So total number of balls we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. How I have done? I have added all the number of bowls. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So I have to add 2 4 times. Right? So this is called repeating multiplication. This is called repeating multiplication. So with a very shortcut method we can add these all numbers by using the concept of multiplication. How we will do that? How many bowls are there? There are 4 bowls, and we will use the symbol multiplication. And in one bowl, how many balls are there? 2 balls are there. It means we know the tables. 4 2s are 8. This is called multiplication statement. This is called multiplication statement. So children, what we have learned, that when you will add more times, like here we had 4 bowls and we have added 4 times. For doing shortly, what we will do? We will use multiplication. Instead of adding more number of times, we will use only multiplication. This is the concept of multiplication. Instead of adding 4 times, we will just use the table and we will do the multiplication. So now I'll explain multiplication deeply. So listen carefully. Here we can multiply in column also. How you will multiply? Like if we will multiply 4 with 2. 4 with 2. So first of all I will tell you the numbers. 4. 4 is called multiplicand. This is called multiplicand. And this number that is in bottom, that is called multiplier. We are multiplying with 2. So this is called multiplier. And when you will multiply, 2 4s are 8. So this 8 is called product. This is called product. So we have learned the elements of multiplication. Which are the elements of multiplication? The parts of multiplication. The upper number is called multiplicand, and the number which is written in bottom, that is called multiplier, and the answer you will get, that is called product. Is it clear? So this is very simple to do. First of all, you should know the formula or the tables. You should know the tables, only then you will be able to multiply the numbers. Is it clear? Now we'll do more examples of multiplication. How? So there are 2 methods are there. First is multiplication without carry, and second is multiplication with carry. So there are two methods are there to multiplication. First is multiplication without carry. There will be some carry will not be there. And in the second type of questions, multiplication with carry, when carry will be there. Let's do one example of both type of questions. So first question is, first question we have, I am doing the multiplication that is without carrying. How you will do? First we have 24, we will multiply it by 12. How you will do when there is a two-digit number? When multiplier is two-digit number. First of all, you will take the multiplier of first number, second number, that is 2. First of all, you will multiply 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8. Next, you will multiply the multiplicand of first digit. 2 2s are 4. After that, 0 you will put here, and next you will take the second multiplier, 1. You will multiply 1 with 4, and 1 2s are 2. 2 will come outside because 0 we have put here. So what you will do now? You will add these two numbers. 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 2. So this is the product. So we have got the product. When you multiply 24 by 12, we will get 288. So there is not any carry. So how we have done without carrying? So there will be no carry, and simply we will do the questions. Now we will do one more questions with carrying. Let's do. Suppose we have a number 49 multiply by 54. Again, what you will do? We will multiply 4 with 9. 4 9s are 36. There will be 3 carry. Now what you will do? 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 will be 19. Now you will put 0 here. 5 9s are 45. 5 you will write here, and 4 will be carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Now what you will do? We will add here. So 6, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. 1 is carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 2 will come here. So the product of 49 and 54 is 2646. So children, we have learned in this video that what is multiplication. Multiplication is the additive identity, and in which we will, if we will not add a number so many times, we just multiplication and will get the answer. And second, we have done how to multiply the 2 digit without carrying, and thirdly we have discussed how to multiply 2 digit with carrying. Is it clear to all? Thank you.